What is the value of A and B, given that you have 1 over A plus 1 over B equals 1 over 17? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let us multiply through by AB. Since our LCM is AB, so here will be AB times 1 over A plus 1 over B equals AB over 17. AB times 1 will be AB over A. AB times 1 will be AB over B equals AB over 17. So from here, this will cancel out this. We have B plus this will cancel out this. We have A equals AB over 17. When this divided by 1, let's cross multiply. So we are going to have 17 multiplied by B plus A equals AB. This times this will give us 17B plus this times this will give us 17A equals AB. Let's rearrange this expression, taking this one to the other side, all this. So we are going to have AB minus 17B minus 17A. Then let's set this side to be equal to 0. So from here, let's do some manipulative. When we have AB minus 17B minus 17A, from here when we have plus 289, then minus 289, this will give us 0. We have this back again. Then let's set this side to be equal to 0 as well. We can see that this has nothing to do with what we have in the previous, because this side will give us 0, we still have this back. So from here, we have AB minus 17B minus 17A plus 289. Taking this one to this side, we have 289. Then let's do something reasonable. Let's put this in parentheses. We have AB minus 17B. Let's have them as this. Let's factor this outside. We have 17A. To factor minus from here, this will now be minus 289 equals 289. What's common between this is B. When we factor it out, here will be B. AB from here divided by B, we have A minus is here. 17B divided by B, we have here to be 17. What is common between this and this is A and 17. So when we have from here, we have what is common here is 17. We have 17 outside. Here will be A. So here is minus 289 divided by 17. Here will be 17 equals 289. A minus 17 is common. A minus 17 is common. We can also factor this out. So this implies we are going to have A minus 17. Then the whole of this term from here to this side divided by this, we are going to have B. From this side divided by this will be minus 17 equals 289. So from here we can do something reasonable. Let's say to find all the positive solution first. We believe that 289 is a product of 17 times 17. It's also a product of 1 times 289. It's also a product of 289 times 1. By considering this, we are going to have this as, let's say we take this first, equating the side, meaning that A minus 17 will be equal to 17, B minus 17 will be equal to 17. So from here, we have a minus 17 equals 17. Then a will now be from here 17 plus 17. 17 plus 17 will give us 34. So from here we have a to be equals 34. B minus 17 equals 17 from this side. We have b minus 17 equals 17. This also implies we have b to be equals 34. So the first solution, a comma b equals 34 comma 34. By also considering the second, this from this side we have a minus 17 equals 1. Then this implies we have a to be equals 1 plus 17, and this to be equals 18. Likewise, we also have b minus 17 equals 289, and this implies we have b to be equals 289 plus 17. So when we have 17 plus 289, this will give us 306. So we have b to be equals 306. Meaning we also have a comma b as well to be 18 comma 306. Considering the second, we are going to have a minus 17 to be equals 289, and this implies a will be equals 289 plus 17. Then our a will be equals 306. And also we have b minus 17 to be equals 1. So we have b to be equals 17 plus 1, and this equals 18. So we have b to be equals 18 as well. So we can have this as a comma b equals 306 comma 18. So for the positive solution, we can declare we have a comma b as follow. We have the first one to be 34 comma 34. We also have the second to be 18 comma 306. We also have 306 comma 18. So these are the three possible values of a, three possible values of a, if you are to consider the positive products of 289. So now let us solve for when we have minus 17 times minus 17. This will also give us 289. When we also have minus 1 times minus 289, this also gives us 289. So when we also have minus 289 times minus 1, this also gives us 289. So solve for the following. Bye bye.